Chief Meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
Today has been a gorgeous day across the area. I know it's not as warm as what we saw yesterday, but you know what? If we can't have the heat, we might as well have a lot of sunshine, and we're seeing it right now as it begins to set right outside the KLBK studio. Fantastic picture. You know, a lot of times I think, I love sunsets, so I'm always looking at the photos. They are beautiful to have, especially we've got clouds in there giving some reflection, but goodness gracious, pink skies, I don't think I can complain one bit about that. So gorgeous conditions across the area. We had a few upper level clouds earlier on. They have since pushed their way off because we're dealing with such dry air out there. A lot of electric shocks have been happening around the area, and of course dry skin and fires. Please be careful because yes, we're dealing with extremely dry conditions, but our temperatures are relatively warm. We're at 50 degrees right now in the hub, 56 down in Abilene. You put all of that together along with winds, and those winds that are coming tomorrow, it's going to be a doozy. So make sure that you are staying fire savvy and prepared. Temperatures across the region, and we are seeing the low 50s off into the rolling plains, 55 degrees in Jayton. Going over to Seminole, where we were at 58 just a few short minutes ago, already dropped down to 55. Muleshoe at 57. Amherst coming in at 52. Winds have dropped as well. Light wind speeds, crystal clear skies, so obviously the temperatures will continue to decrease. But tomorrow is another day and another West Texas story. We've got another front headed into the area, a dry front at that, but brutally really high northerly winds are going to push their way and filter all across the South Plains. Wind speeds will be sustained around 20 miles per hour in the city, close to 30 up towards the northern portion of Freona, over into Dimmitt, Toya. These winds continue to stay up and filter into the southern, rolling plains and central areas. So get ready for a blustery day. The cold front's not bringing any amount of rainfall, obviously, because we have no dew points to support it, but it is going to be giving us blowing dust, blowing dirt, and it's going to make it feel even colder than what that temperature is. But a good note, we head into Wednesday. Those winds will shift. They're going to be coming in out of the southwest, drawing in some drier air and also giving us some very nice conditions. So just get through tomorrow and you can do it. Now, obviously, we're too dry to see any amount of rainfall. We are staying clear into the overnight hours. So temperatures are going to reflect that. They are going to drop so rapidly over the next 6 hours. So tomorrow morning, we're going to be in the 20s, feeling like the teens in many locations. Clear skies continue on into Wednesday and even into Thursday. I mean, we are just looking at a lot of sunshine, but don't let the sun give you that false impression that it really is going to be warm outside, because those winds are going to stay up all afternoon long. Yes, the temperature will get up to 54 degrees, but it's not feeling like it. It's going to feel rather chilly, especially in the morning and the afternoon hours. Then we head further into Wednesday. Just lots of sunshine all over the place, getting all the way up to 60 degrees. But notice the overnight temperatures. They're getting down into the 20s each and every morning. By Friday, we drop down just a little bit. We will get into the mid-50s across the area, and then we will begin to rebound those temperatures back into the 60s. So overall, we're sitting extremely pretty, but be careful. We are dealing with such a low relative humidity and a low dew point that it is extremely critical when it comes to fire dangers and, of course, when it comes to blowing dust and dirt, because we don't have any moisture on the surface, so it's easier to have those low visibilities because we are getting so much of a disturbance of the dirt getting in the atmosphere, and then you have to worry about asthma. So tomorrow is going to be one of those days that you want to take the proper precautions, but hello, sunshine.
Yeah, I'm down with that.
Loving the sun, yes.
Send the asthma inhaler to school. Got it.
Exactly.
Okay.
So.
Thanks so much, Nikki-Dee.
No
Appreciate that.